What's going on to YouTube world? This is the Fast Train. I decided to do this a little bit. You know, my phone's staying up. I look like a freaking giant. Sorry. I don't know. I don't have a tripod right now. If I did, I would do this. So I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. The old-fashioned way is better. So, here's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about Halo for a change. I don't really talk about Halo, but that's the reason. There's reasons because I actually like Halo. People are saying it's dying. I don't care. It's still a good game. Anyways, besides all that, my friend has actually been complaining that we could not play as the Flood in any campaign. I mean, look at Gears of War. We got to play as Rom in Gears of War 3. Yeah, that's what I compare it to. The lighting's better in the computer room. Yeah, I. Why can't we play as? Why can't we play as a Flood in multiplayer? And no, infection does not count. It doesn't. It's been like, hmm, let's see, Halo Wars did have the Flood, but we didn't play as them. Halo Reach did not have them. Not surprising. Halo 1, 2, and 3 had the Flood, and we could not play as them? That's not for Halo 1 and 2, but seriously, 3? Halo 4, Infection does not count. It does not at all. You had a perfect opportunity to let us play as the Flood in Halo Wars 2 multiplayer. And you didn't do that? Guys, are you so all incompetent that you can't do a single, that you couldn't think of that? People want to play as the Flood. We don't want to fight. Of course, we want to fight them, but that's besides the point. We want to play as them. Or at the very least, give us a movie, an origin of them. I don't know why I'm tired. I got up late. That doesn't matter. My friend told me that he wants to see. He wants us to play as the Flood. Because it would be awesome to infect soldiers, elites, brutes, jackals, whatever. Well, you can't infect the jackals for some reason. You can't infect the grunts. Only the prophet. Well, how about you give us an option to play as the Flood in the next Halo game? Because you gave us two giant cliffhangers for Halo, from Halo Wars 2. Ooh. And Halo 5's legendary ending shows a Halo ring. Halo 4, we didn't go on the ring. Halo 5, no ring at all, except for the legendary ending. Look at the other Halos. Halo 1, 2, and 3. Ow. Halo 4 does not count. You did not go on a Halo ring. You are next to a Halo ring. Now, On Halo Wars 2, you were on a ring. That I can give you. What am I rumbling about? Rings? I just gotta extend this video, guys. I don't like doing short videos. So yeah, that's my question. Why can't we play as the Flood? And how come we haven't seen a single Halo ring? Well, we've seen Halo rings. Halo Wars 2, we were on a ring, but Awakening a Nightmare, we were not on a Halo ring. But Awakening a Nightmare, we were not on a ring. We were on the Ark. I don't care what it takes. Just let us play as the Flood. Not as an infection, as actual Flood. Let's play as spores and infect bots. What as they're called. Why am I so tired? I got up late. Let me check what time it is. Because my PlayStation tells the wrong time. It is 4:33 in the afternoon. Guys, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say about... I don't know why they didn't want us playing as the Flood in a multiplayer. Vector does not count at all. Halo 5? Halo 5's Infection doesn't count. Halo 4 doesn't count. Halo 2's Halo 2 Anniversary's Infection does not count. Same with Halo 3. ODST does not have one. Otherwise, you count the fire. Well, you don't count the firefights. I don't know why I'm so tired. That's all I got for now. I never ended this early. And no, I never remembered that other video. It's gone in my mind. Yep. I'm paranoid. That's all I got for today. This train, I'm gone. Wait. Before I go, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help me grow this channel into something more. If you have some ideas for a video, please tell me in the comments below and let me talk about it. Because I'm almost out of ideas to talk about. I do have stories, but those ones are not allowed to be said on YouTube because it would be family friendly content. I'm not family friendly, guys. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Don't forget to hit that like button. Click that subscribe button. And hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you never miss another one of my videos. Okay? You got that? Good. This train, I'm gone. I'll see you guys in the next video.